Kashmir is the most beautiful state in the world on the base of beauty. Because of natural beauty, it is called heaven on earth. The state was divided into three, now controlled by India, Pakistan, and China. Consulate General of Pakistan organized an event on 5th February to observe Kashmir's Solidarity Day. Kashmir Solidarity Day or Kashmir Day is celebrated on 5th February every year in Pakistan. It is a national holiday in Pakistan. On this day, Pakistan commemorates and pays tribute to the martyrs who gave their lives in the fight for Kashmiri independence. Kashmir Solidarity Day, also known as Yom-e-Yakjahtiye-Kashmir. We celebrate this day to reinforce and show support for the Kashmiri freedom movement. On Kashmir Day, all government, semi government, and private offices across Pakistan remain closed.